In this video, I will show you how to create a thumbnail on Canva. And if this video does help you out today, please consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like on the video, and also consider subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So here we are, we're currently on canva.com. Now there's a couple of things you can do. The first thing you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click on this purple create a design button, and you will see you have the YouTube thumbnail here. What you can also do is type into the search box thumbnail, and you can also type a theme in. So if you want to choose like a pre-done template and obviously add your own spin on it, then you can put something like, for example, music thumbnail, and you're going to get a similar result like so. So what you want to do is click onto this, and you'll see what's going to happen. This is going to open up the thumbnail editor. So you can see on the left hand side we've actually got some templates, and in the search box at the top we've got that music YouTube thumbnail typed in up there. So you can see all of these are sort of like template thumbnails that you can use. So if I use this one for example, you just want to click on it to select the template, and then what you can do is go ahead, you can change your text in here for example. So you know, you can put like whatever text you want to put in, and you can change the text. You can put like effects on. If you come up to the top and click effects, you can add like a shadow to the writing and do things like change the color, things like that. You can also add images, which if you come over to the left hand side, you see this uploads button. If you click onto that, you can actually add your own images. You can upload your images, and what you can do is add some from Canva as well. So if you come up to elements and you type something in here, so you could type like, say I wanted an arrow, and you can specify it. You can be a bit more in depth, so you could be like red arrow, hit enter. We're going to get some graphics, we're going to get some photos and videos and all sorts of things. So you can just scroll through, click see all. To add this, all you need to do is simply click to add anything to your thumbnail. And again, you can just play about with this. You can see when I click on this, you've got the option to change color here as well as flip the image if you wanted to. And yeah, there's quite a bit you can do. So what you want to do really is just come onto Canva, select the thumbnail template, have a little bit of a play about. Now there are some features that are limited, and they're only going to be accessed if you have Canva Pro. So if you do want to find out a bit more information about Canva Pro, then click the link I'll leave in the video description down below to find out some more information on Canva Pro. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did, I'd really appreciate it if you left a like on the video and did consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.